I wait by the squeeze box for Rodney. Rodney, son, what is it? So, what were you so upset about? Rodney, it's Mother's Day, and I'm taking Mrs. Eating Good in the woods down to see her mama. Yeah, I know. Well, I've already filmed the video for this week. Yes, I put those pork shoulders on the smoker. Thought I'd do a little thing about that. Yeah, me and Mrs. Eating Good in the Woods are going to go down to Florida, spend a couple days down there, visiting family, and we'll spend Mother's Day there. Why are you so upset about this? Oh. You want some of that barbecue, don't you? Well, I'll tell you what. How about I carve off just a little bit of it for you and I leave it behind? Will that satisfy you? All right. Y'all stick around. I'm going to show you how.
These two pork roasts have been covered in mustard and barbecue rub and injected with apple juice. Need to start off by cleaning out the smoker box and the main body of the smoker. We're going to get a nice charcoal chimney full of red hot coals. Put a little piece of paper under there and light it up. These things are very efficient, but I highly recommend buying a quality one. You don't have to buy things twice that way. Now we're going to start piling in some charcoal. It should look like that. Reason being, when we pour the hot coals on it, the unlit coals underneath will slowly start to ignite on their own. The idea is to get this to perfect slicing temperature, which is about 300 degrees. This is how you control how much smoke goes in, and this is how you control the heat. And use only a quality charcoal. Now we're going to add some apple chips. Some people soak them, I don't. Look at all that smoke. Gonna be delicious. We're getting closer to temperature here. Make sure you keep that fluke as closed as possible to keep all that wonderful smoke in. This is after about an hour. Through the cook, you're going to want to rotate that. When you're using side heat like that, you don't want to get one side cooked faster than the other. There we are. 300 to 325 degrees is perfect. Let's take a temperature real quick. 165 is where you want them for slicing. Anything hotter than that, and you're taking a chance of it crumbling like pulled pork does. Close the lid and get it back to 300, 325 degrees. Replacing the apple chips, whenever you see the smoke go out, add more chips. Let's look now. This is about 3 hours into the smoke, and it's ready. I took them in the house and covered them in foil to let them rest for about an hour, and then we start the slicing process. This is just an inexpensive slicer Mrs. Eating Good in the Woods bought me for my birthday one year from Walmart or one of those type of places. They're very affordable and does a great job. Hey y'all, I have opened a Teespring shop. This is a way for you guys to help support my channel and get some cool stuff in the meantime.
Click on the link down in the description there. I've got things like coffee mugs, stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, that sort of thing. Give it a look. I sure would appreciate it.
That was one 4.5 pound pork shoulder and one 5.5 pound. And look all it made. Goodness gracious.
So I want you to look at how much that made. Whoo! That's a big old bunch of barbecue smoker goodness. Let's give it a little taste. That's hardly fit to eat, but I'm gonna keep going until I find a good spot. Well, y'all, that's gonna be it for this episode of Eating Good in the Woods. So until next time, y'all keep going till you find a good spot. I love y'all. Go out there and be nice to each other. God bless. We'll see you next time.
Hey, my fellow campers, y'all looking for a one-of-a-kind camping experience? Then go no further than boondockerswelcome.com. $50 a year gets you some of the most original camping experiences you'll ever have. And after you've paid your $50, every camping experience is free for that year. There's a link in the description, and don't forget to use my coupon code EATINGGOOD at checkout and save 10%.